Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is something different, something that I've never done before, but I decided to film a nighttime skincare routine, which is what I do every day. Yeah, if you'd like to see what I use and how I maintain my skin, which is problematic at this moment, but it's okay, we're not even gonna go there. But if you wanna see what I do for my skincare routine, keep on watching. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Taking my makeup wipes. These are like the generic Neutrogena brand. They work just as well as Neutrogena. When I'm being a little budget friendly, I use these. And I always like to use two wipes just because I'm able to get most of it. I know I don't get all of the makeup off when I'm using my wipes, but I feel like I get most of it off when I use two wipes. So just going in with the second. Let's see all that? Yeah, that's why I use two. The next thing I'm gonna do is go in with my CeraVe. This is what I use to cleanse my face. Before I use this though, I'm gonna go ahead and wet my face with a little bit of water. I'm taking my thin brush by Radiant. This is a brush that I just recently got not too long ago. Radiant skincare system. Comes with this cleansing brush. It also comes with an exfoliating brush and then a body brush. I'm just gonna put a little bit of my cleanser on there like that. I like to rub it in a little bit first before I get started, and then I turn that water off, and then I get started. And I don't really do a whole lot of scrubbing because this does all of the scrubbing for you. So I'm just taking this in circular motions, getting up in those crevices around my nose, under the eye, and yeah. Not too bad. That means that I got most of my makeup off with the makeup wipes, which is what I really like to do. I like to use the wipes to get everything off for the most part, and what I don't pick up, this picks it up. This rinses off very easily. I just take a little bit of soap, rub it in my hand, and it cleans very easily. See? Squeaky clean. The next thing I'm going to do is go in with this Witch Hazel toner. I've never used this before, so this is my first time using it. But it's the Lilac Witch Hazel Toner by Humphreys. I picked up these razors by Japanese just to really try it out. Get a lot of peach fuzz in this area and on my chin, so I'm going to do a little bit of dermaplaning just to kind of get rid of some of my peach fuzz. So let's try it. You can already see it lightens my skin tone, just getting rid of that hair. Look at the hair. Can you guys see that? This is hair right here. Don't look at the pimple, just look at the hair. That's how much hair I just got off. I can already see it. I'm gonna get hooked to this. Like, wow. And dermaplaning is really supposed to be good for exfoliating. It helps to reveal new skin. And dermaplaning also is good for your makeup application. It allows the makeup to, it supposedly, again, this is my first time trying this, your makeup is supposed to go on much smoother, much more flawless when you do this. So I'm excited to see how it works out. Wow. All right, I think we're good. I don't think there's anything else to do. Getting a little carried away. Look at this hair on my shirt. So with that said, we're gonna go in and use our toner. A little cotton swab. Ooh, this is moisturizing. So So the next thing that I like to do in my routine is go in with my treatments. For years now, I've been using the acne.org skincare system, specifically the benzoyl peroxide, as well as some alpha hydroxy acid. Both of these work phenomenal with my acne when I get a flare up. And so I use these religiously. I use this every night. The alpha hydroxy acid I use maybe 3 times a week. So the first thing I do is go in with my benzoyl peroxide, and I put about a finger's length there, and then I just put that over my cheeks, especially over those pimples. My skin feels so good from dermaplaning. Like, going in with my AHA, and we're doing the same thing with that, about a finger's length. And that's pretty much it. That is my routine. That is what I do at nighttime. So again, I'm starting off by just cleansing my face with my CeraVe, along with using my Radiance spin brush. If you guys want to get this brush, which I recommend, it's a really good brush, check out my description box. I'll have a link there for you to purchase, as well as a coupon code or a discount code if you want to pick up one of these babies. Again, they are very easy to use, simple, and it gets the job done. After that, I go in with a toner, and I use my treatments, which is the benzoyl peroxide and the AHA. And that clears my face up very nicely when I'm consistently using it. And that's it, you guys.